this like open it from where?
Here, it's here.
Oh,
I'm
beautiful.
gonna tell you.
That's all. Ready? Ready?
No, invert it first. Balik na sa anak. Meron sa there.
Open it.
Meron sa wow.
Alcohol. Stop.
Wow.
Wipe all gently. Oh, with this, I think.
Yeah, so
Wait
it
10
will stick on the
minutes,
wall.
then press purple.
Carefully yan.
Oh, I think this is like sticky thing.
Yeah, it's just easy, you know, guys.
Oh, wait, no, it's here.
Yeah. When we want to put this on the wall, so we just have to remove the sticker here and then stick it on the wall. So no need to put some screwdriver or screw on the wall. Just to hang the pictures.
Oh!
Yeah, we have 12
Oh, we have
pictures.
so many.
12.
Oh,
Okay, put these
put it
ones
back
here.
here.
No, here. This one goes there.
Wait, no, give it, put it here, put it here.
Oh, I love
Then
it.
one.
Ang ganda din ng printing nila.
Ooh, this one's cute too.
There we go.
That's normal.
3,
That's
So next time, we will just show you.
8, 10, 12. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Thank you for watching.
Wait again.
Yep, very cute, Mama. Very cute.
Now let's stick it.
I like
No, not
this is
yet.
my favorite picture.
when
You
you
know
wipe-
why? Because I'm putting my.
Oh, we use this to wipe wall? Or no? What do we
Yeah,
wipe?
it will stick.
What do we wipe the wall? Like this?
So cute.
Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye.